students, welcome back. In this tutorial we will learn how we can do the syntax analysis of a given string of terminals if the parsing table of a predictive top-down parser is given to us. Now see, this table is given to us. It is a parsing table. It is a parsing table of predictive top-down parser. Now we have to do syntax analysis of this string of terminals A, C, D, B, right, by using this table. Now see how we can do syntax analysis of a string of terminals by using the parsing table, right? Suppose this string is given to us. This string of terminals is given to us A, B, C, D. Now we have to do the syntax analysis of this string of terminals by using the parsing table of predictive top-down parser. So what we will do, first of all, at the right end of this string we will add this dollar symbol, right? This is the right end marker of the string, right? And what we need to do, we need to scan this string from left to right, right? We will analyze each symbol of this string from left to right, and for that purpose we will use a input pointer, and this input pointer will point that symbol of the string to which we are currently analyzing, right? So for that purpose we need a stack also. So we will take a stack, and at the bottom of that stack we will keep this dollar symbol, which is the right end marker of the string for which we are doing syntax analysis. And after that, in this stack we will push the start symbol S of the grammar. Now see, suppose at the top of a stack there is some terminal symbol A, right? And input pointer points to the terminal symbol A in a string for which we are doing syntax analysis, right? If at the top of a stack is a terminal symbol which is same as the terminal symbol which is pointed by the input pointer in the string, in this case what we will do, we will pop this terminal symbol from the stack, and this input pointer which points to this terminal symbol A, it will move one position to the right, right? This input pointer will move forward. If at the top of a stack there is a dollar symbol, right, and the input pointer, it also points to the dollar symbol, right? In this case what will happen, the parser will halt, right? The parser will halt and it announces the successful completion. It means the string to which we are doing syntax analysis, that is syntactically correct, right? But if at the top of stack there is some non-terminal symbol X, right, and the input pointer points to the terminal symbol A in the string, in that case what we will do, in a parsing table, at row labeled by X and column labeled by terminal symbol A, right, at that entry we will see what production is there. Suppose at that the production is X drives UVW, right? Then what we will do, from the stack, right? Now in a stack at the top of it there is a non-terminal symbol X. So what we will do, we will replace this X in a stack by the right hand side of this production rule, right, which is in the parsing table at entry row labeled by X and column labeled by A, right? Suppose the right hand side of this production rule is UVW. Then it is inserted in a stack in such a way that the leftmost symbol U, it will be at the top of a stack, right? Now it will be more clear after this example. Now see here, see this parsing table, right? And this is the parsing table of predictive top-down parser, right? And here we have to do the syntax analysis of this string of terminals A, C, D, B. So what we will do, as I told you earlier, for the syntax analysis what we need to do, first we have to take a stack, right? And at the bottom of the stack we will keep this dollar symbol, and then we will push the start symbol S of the grammar in the stack, right? And at the right end of this string of terminal symbol, we will add this dollar symbol, which is the right hand marker of this string, for which we are doing syntax analysis, right? Now see, at the top of stack, now there is start symbol S, right? And the input pointer will point this leftmost symbol of the string, that is terminal symbol A, right? So in this case, what we will do, we will search this parsing table at row labeled by S and column labeled by terminal symbol A. So here this production rule is there at this entry, S derives A, A, B, B. So what we will do in stack, we will replace this S by the right hand side of this production rule, right? So here in stack, this S is replaced by the right hand side of the production rule. So right hand side of the production rule, it has 4 symbols, and they are inserted in a stack in such a way that this leftmost symbol A, it is at the top of a stack, right? Now you can see in a stack, at the top of a stack there is a terminal symbol A, and now the input pointer, it also points to the same terminal symbol A. So in this case, what we will do, we will pop this terminal symbol A from the stack, and this input pointer will move 1 position right. So here you can see that after popping this terminal symbol A, this non-terminal symbol A is at the top of stack, and now input pointer points to this terminal symbol C, right? So in this case, what we need to do, we have to search this parsing table at row labeled by A and column labeled by C. So at that entry, this production rule is there, A derives C. So what we will do, we will replace A by the right hand side of the production rule in the stack, right? So when we replace A by the right hand side of this production rule, right hand side of this production rule, there is only one terminal symbol C, so A is replaced by C in the stack. Now here you can see that at the top of a stack there is a terminal symbol C, and input pointer, it also points to the terminal symbol C in the string. So in this case, what we will do, we will pop this terminal symbol C from the stack, and the input pointer will move 1 position right. Input pointer will move forward, right? So in this case, now you can see when we pop this terminal symbol C from the stack, now at the top of a stack there is a non-terminal symbol B, and input pointer points to the terminal symbol D in the input string, right? So what we need to do, now we will search the parsing table, right, at row labeled by B and column labeled by terminal symbol D, right? So here at that entry, this production rule is there, B derives D, right? So what we will do, in a stack we will replace this non-terminal symbol B by the right hand side of this production rule, B drives D. Right hand side of this production rule is this terminal symbol D, so this non-terminal B will be replaced by D, right? So now at the top of a stack there is terminal symbol D, and this input pointer points to the terminal symbol D in the string, right? So here you can see that the terminal symbol at the top of a stack and the terminal symbol which is pointed by input pointer, they both are same. So in this case, what we will do, we will pop this terminal symbol from the top of a stack, and this input pointer will move 1 position right. So when we pop this terminal symbol D from the stack, now at the top of a stack there is terminal symbol B, right? And you can see that input pointer now points to the terminal symbol B, right? Now at the top of a stack, the terminal symbol is same as the terminal symbol which is pointed by the input pointer. So we will pop this terminal symbol B from the stack, and this input pointer will move forward 1 position right. right? Now at the top of stack there is this dollar symbol, and now input pointer points to this dollar symbol. So in this case what will happen, the parser will halt and it will announce the successful completion. It means this string A C D B, it is syntactically correct.